Hello, our next tutorial, and today we talk about the movable chords. So if you don't have any clue about movable chords, maybe check my other tutorials. Otherwise, as soon as you know chord shape, what we were talking about in the last tutorials, like the cage system, so as soon as you know a shape, you can move and you have many chords to play. I show you another perspective of my hand too. Let's start with very easy bar chords, the -7 one. So bar the first fret. And we have an F minor 7. And guess what happens if you move with this shape? One fret up. We have an F sharp minor 7. We move one fret up and we have a G minor 7. G sharp minor 7. A minor 7, A sharp minor 7, B minor 7, and so on and so on. So here we have the E minor. So if we use our finger as the nut, we use our index finger, and then we go ahead with our ring finger. We have an F minor now, because we use the E minor shape, lift the finger one fret up, then we have to play the nut here with the index finger, and we have the E minor chord shape and change it now into the F minor. One fret up, we have F sharp minor, then we have G sharp, G minor, G sharp minor, A minor, and so on and so on. Let's get difficult. Here we turn out with the A minor shape. I hate this. And we change the index against the middle finger. We use the same shape here, the A minor shape. We turn our index up here on the first fret, and we have an A sharp minor. One fret up, we have a B minor, and then we have a C minor, and so on. So these shapes you can use as movable chord shapes, and then you can find pretty fast another E minor, D minor, F sharp minor, whatever you need to use or want to improvise in another position. I think for today it's enough to learn and figuring things out. If you have any questions about it, feel free to contact me. PDFs you can get with Patreon or on my coaching site, and please subscribe if you want to know further tutorials or things, and support me with a like or share my tutorials, and see you for the next tutorial. Love you, Doña.